Hello, this is Kathryn with Purple Door Entrepreneur, and I want to talk to you today about being yourself. There is a quote that goes something like this: just be yourself. You can't be anyone else. They are already taken. Often that quote is attributed to Oscar Wilde, who lived in the mid-1800s and died in 1900. It's hard to be sure if that's really his quote or not. It is often used, and it is very valid. Who else can you be but yourself? You can't be your siblings or your parents or your teachers or anyone else that you see and look around. When you look around, is there anyone else who has had your life experience, your family, your education, your background, your traditions, your heritage? No, I cannot impersonate yours, and I do a terrible job at it. And why would I? I wouldn't come across as authentic. If you tried to impersonate me and where I grew up and my background and my family, you wouldn't get it right either. You'd probably do pretty crappy. So, stop trying to be like the guy who has success on Facebook or the person who is drawing a huge YouTube audience. Their style is their style. It's not yours. So don't try to imitate it. Yes, they do say imitation is a great form of flattery. But when it comes to stepping into your power in business, it is inauthentic. It is not flattery. So don't try to be anything, period. Just be you.